Good day, class. Today we'll be learning about lists and dictionaries in Python. So dictionary and lists are special data types in Python that allows a variable to have multiple values or items inside of it. So alam natin yung normal variable must only have one value. For example, x must only contain the string hello o kaya hi or any number. So when we print x, and run it, lalabas yung laman niya. Now, what if we needed to create a variable that has multiple values inside of it? So, dun papasok yung list and dictionary. Yung list pala class, another word para sa kanya sa ibang programming language is array. So, array, if you're familiar, is a variable that contains multiple values. Now, sa line 2 and 3, makikita natin yung normal declaration of variable. While when we're creating a list, no, for example pa natin my list, yung ating list na data. So it must be inside square brackets, and if it's string, must be enveloped by double or single quotation mark. So for example, our list will involve of different fruits. The apple, orange, guava, pineapple. So when we print my list, ang lalabas dyan, class, is yung lahat ng laman niya. So, lalabas si apple, si orange, si guava, and si pineapple. So, when we run it, makikita nyo, apple, orange, guava, and pineapple. So, this is an example of multiple values inside one variable. Now, if you want to access a specific item in our list or in our array, you can just use its index number. So, each item in our list is represented by the index or by an index number. So the index number always starts at 0 for the first item. So si Apple, meron siyang index number na 0. Si Orange will have the index number of 1. Si Guava will have their index number of 2. Si Pineapple will have the index number of 3. So example, if we want to access only Apple, so, pag nirun natin yan, lalabas lang si Apple because we call its index number. If you want to access pineapple, so bilang tayo 0, 1, 2, and 3. So, lagay natin dito is 3 to be able to print out yung word na pineapple. Now, there are many ways to access or to print out different elements. We can use its index number in a scenario na if we want to output apple, orange, and guava. So, gagawin natin 0, colon, for the starting index, and then we will put 4. So, 4 minus 1 equals 3. Sorry, no. We will put 3. Kasi 0, 1, 2, and 3. Now, bakit 3, ma'am? You want to output guava, di ba? So, the logic behind that is n minus 1. So, if you want to or to print out 2, so input 3 kasi 3 minus 1 equals 2. Or in another way of looking things, pwede kayo sa last index niya or sa last item na gusto niyo i-print out using this method, slicing method ang tawag dito, pwede nyong isipin na, okay, so from the last index that I want to show or from the last item I want to show, mag-a-add lang ako ng 1. You can see to it as n minus 1 or n plus 1. It just works the same, no? So again, because we want to output guava, ilalagay natin dito is index number 3 kasi 3 minus 1 equals 2. So, lalabas si guava. Okay, pag nirun natin, ayan, apple, orange, and guava. If we want to output naman si orange lang, si apple and orange, then papalitan lang natin yan ng 2. Okay? Para lumabas si apple and orange. Okay? And then you can, another way of printing out all of the items in our list is just emptying our starting index and our last index. So, ayan, lalabas din siya. And then, if you want to access in a different way naman yung index, pwede kang gumamit ng negative index. So, negative index, essentially class, is the last item will be -1, the second to the last will be -2, the third to the last will be -3, and the fourth to the last will be -4. So, if you want to output, for example, pineapple, pwede natin gawin -1. And then, lalabas si pineapple. So, papansin nyo, hindi tayo nag-start sa 0 sa negative, no? Nag-start tayo sa 1 kapag negative. If you want to print out apple using its negative index, then -4. Ayan. Then, if you want to change a value of a specific item in our list during or inside a program without manipulating it, pwede po yan siya. So, ang gagawin lang natin is mag-a-assign tayo. For example, my list. And then the index number of the item you want to change, let's say 0. Palitan natin si apple ng rambutan. Then we're piprint lang natin. Then pag nirun natin, lalabas na, wala na si apple, naging rambutan na, orange, guava, and pineapple. So again, during program execution lang natin makikita yung change, not doon sa original na list na declare natin via code. And then, if you want to remove a specific item without replacing it, madali lang naman class, kailangan mo lang gamitin yung del or del keyword. So, if we want to delete yung ating apple, ayan. So, run lang natin del, my list, sabay yung index na gusto nyo delete. Pag nirun natin, wala na dyan si apple. Orange, guava, and pineapple na. Bale, ang mangyari, during program execution, si orange na yung 0. So, if you want to print out yung 0 index, si orange na yung lalabas. During lang sa execution nito. And then, if we want to add naman doon sa list natin, we can do that by using yung ating append and insert keyword. Okay, so method sila under list. So, to append or to add value, so gawin lang natin my list, that append, and then the value that you want to add. So, for example, you want to add grapes. Pag nirun natin, dadagdag na si grapes. So, mapapansin nyo, nasa pinakahuli na dadagdag siya. So, any item na gusto nyong ilagay, for example, strawberry. Pag nirun natin, doon pa rin siya dadagdag. So, yung append method, the way it adds items in our list is it adds it on the last index of our list. Okay, or the last item in our list. But if you want, for example, gusto nyo sa kalagitnaan ni orange and guava, si strawberry, pwede nyo gamitin yung insert method. So, sa insert method, meron lang kailangan dalawang argument kayo bibigay. Una is yung index kung saan nyo siya isisingit. So, if you want to add si strawberry sa kalagitnaan ni orange and guava, so 0, 1, and then bago mag 2, or bago mag guava, then strawberry. So, pag nirun natin, makikita nyo, apple, orange, strawberry, guava. Okay? If you want to insert it naman, for example, sa kalagitnaan ni guava and pineapple, and then what you will put here is 3 before yung pineapple, syempre. Kaya, guava, strawberry, and pineapple. So, that's how append and insert, no, is used. Now, we also have yung remove na keyword. So, remove na keyword acts as if katulad siya ni delete, pero sa kanya, hindi index number yung ibibigay mo, kundi yung mismong item na buburhen. For example, we want to remove guava. Ayan. So, mismong item. Di ba kanina kay del na keyword o yung del, gamit natin ay index number niya. Kay remove, ang gamit-gamit po natin ay yung pangalan ng item. Okay? And then we have functions, no? Under sa random module, that will be useful if you will create different games. For example, you will create a game that uh, randomly chose or randomly chooses something. So, perfect doon si random that choice. Or if you want to use a game that shuffles or create a game that shuffles items. So, perfect doon si random that shuffle. Now, let me demo how to use it. So, again, you want to import muna yung random na module to use its functions. And then, let's create a list. For example, ang list natin will be rock, paper, and scissors. Or options na lang. Options. Gawin natin rock, paper, scissors. So, to use this, gagawin nyo lang class is we will print out yung random dot choice na pinili sa options. Pag natin, lalabas niya randomly. Scissors yung pinili ni computer, rock, 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 paper. Okay? So, makita nyo walang sequence. Random yan siya. So, perfect siya gamitin. For example, gagawa ka ng bato-bato pick the game or rock, paper, scissors kung saan ang kalaban mo is computer. And then, the computer will just randomly choose kung ano yung ibabato niya sa'yo while you are playing the game. And then, shuffle. What happens to shuffle is, it shuffles, no? Yung ating laman ng list. So, kung makikita nyo, the sequence is rock, paper, and scissors. If we will use the random shuffle, ang mangyayari yan, pag print natin si options, magbago yung sequence niya randomly. So, dito naging scissors, paper, rock na siya. Another execution, paper, rock, scissors. So, yan yung shuffle and yung choice na options natin kay list. Okay? So, yan. Marami pang ibang methods si list. You can search it for yourself if you want to. But these are the basics. No? And then, we have now yung dictionary. So, yung dictionary is like a list because it can contain multiple values within one variable. But the setup is quite different kasi meron na siyang keys and values. So, kung isusulat ni ma'am yung syntax, it will be yung dictionary name nyo, and then curly brackets. The first will be key, the second will it maging values. So essentially, class, the values represents the value of or the value o item na nilagay natin that is corresponding to its key. So dictionary data type acts like what we see in the real world sa dictionary, di ba? So, sa dictionary, there is a compilation of different words that has different meanings or definitions. So, yung words doon, that will be the key. Yung meaning doon will be the values or value. So, to declare, let's say, we have a dictionary of our cat. So, sa cat natin, maraming attributes yan, di ba? So, meron siyang size, so sa size, sabihin natin small lang siya, and then color, sabihin natin white. Okay, I forgot to tell you each key and value must be separated by the colon. And then another pair of values, sabihin natin yung kanyang behavior. So, pwede natin sabihin ang behavior niya is timid. Mahiyain ba? Ayan. So, we have created our dictionary, no, of values in response to cats. And then, if we want to print out a certain value, we must call its key or corresponding key. So, if we want to print out, for example, yung small, so gagawin natin, parang list lang, yung pangalan ng list or dictionary, and then not the index number, but the key that represents the value. So, if we want to print out yung small, we must insert in its parameters the size. So, pag nira natin, lalabas yung small. If we want to output yung timid, dilagay natin dyan yung kanyang key, which is behavior. Okay? So, pwede rin po, it works, for example, number yung nire-represent. Number yung keys mo, pwede rin po yan. Gagana rin po yan siya. So, lagay lang po natin dyan. Yan. So, lalabas pa rin yung value. Sa list din ha, list can contain either a string of values or integer of values or a combination of both. So, pwede siyang mag-contain ng may number, sabay may word, and so forth. So, kahit ano, pagdating sa Python list or Python array, it can contain multiple data types within one variable. And then, dictionary is useful. Say you want to create a program na mag-store siya ng data about your friends, specifically yung birthday. So, pwede natin gawin yon. So, gawa tayo birthday. Equal, sabihin natin ang friends nyo. Ang magiging key is yung pangalan ng friends nyo. Sabihin natin, Alice. Si Alice, ang birthday niya ay September 30. Si Joanna, ang birthday niya is November 1. Si Joaquin, ang birthday niya is September 29. So, ano kahit multiple values, kahit gano'ng karami, for the sake of easy explanation, 3 lang yung normally na nilalagay ko. Pero kahit mag-10 yan, mag-50 yan, depende sa inyo. So, after nyan, gawa tayo ng loop. So, while our condition is true, we will ask the user to enter a name. Lagay natin sa name variable. So, enter the name of your friend. Sabay, if he wants to stop the program, pwede niyang enter blank to quit. Kasi naka-loop yan eh. So, kailangan meron tayong identification sa kanila na pwede silang mag-stop ng program sa ating compiler. So, if name equals empty, ibig sabihin walang laman, that will break our program. So, matatapos yung program. If name naman is inside, no, or nakikita. So, yung in keyword allows us to check if the item that we search is inside our dictionary. Gumagana rin yan siya sa list. So, meron niyang inverse, not in. So, kung not in, ibig sabihin wala sa loob. But this program is searching kung nandun sa loob. So, if name in birthday, so ipiprint natin yung key or yung name or yung date. No, you want to print out the date. else naman, syempre kung wala, sasabihin natin, hindi po, wala po doon sa loob. Info not available. And then we will ask the user to enter niya na lang yung information. So, lagay natin birthday equals input. Enter the birthday or enter info. Essentially, enter niya yung birthday ng sinesearch niyang pangalan. And then, i-add po natin siya sa ating dictionary. So, birthday, name, equals birthday. And then, preprint lang natin birthday list updated. Okay. So, run natin. Okay. Yeah. Nakulangan ng equal si ma'am. So, enter name of your friend. For example, Joanna. Ayan, lalabas. November 1 yung birthday niya. Kunyari, wala naman dito yung birthday niya or walang panibagong mong friend. For example, Dave. Wala siya sa listahan, di ba? Kasi ang laman lang ay si Alice, Joanna, and Joaquin. So, pag in-enter lang si Dave, lalabas info not available. Enter info. Sabihin natin si Dave, ang birthday niya ay July 10. So, lalabas birthday list updated. Okay? If we want, we can also print it out eh. If you want, you can print out the new dictionary, no, during the program runtime. So, if we want to quit, enter nyo lang yan, and then the program will finish. So, ganyan natin pwede gamitin yung dictionary. Now, there are many methods din sa dictionary. So, meron tayong, for example, yung birthday na yan, i-loop natin yan, ilabas natin. So, for I in birthday dot keys print I. So, maglo-loop lang tayo sa birthday keys. So, pag nirun natin, lahat ng, sorry, nakalimutan ko lagyan ng ganyan. Ayan. So, lahat ng keys. So, ang keys is the first item or first element or first object in our dictionary. Yun yung Alice, Joanna, and Joaquin. Kaya yun yung print out niya. Now, if you want to print out yung values ng keys, then palitan nyo yan, lagay nyo values. Pag-run natin, lalabas yung values. And items naman, if we'll be using the items method, ilalabas niya lahat ng items sa dictionary natin. So, ayan. So, Alice, September 30, Joanna, November 1, Joaquin, September 29. So, ganyan po gumamit ng dictionary. Again, this is the basic of dictionary. There are many methods still, no? Depending sa kailangan nyo, you can search for it. Oh, thank you and goodbye.